Hey beauties, welcome back again to the installation video of how to make cornrow braided wig using glue gun. If you haven't watched the original video, I'm going to link it in the description section and also leave it in the teaser up there. Here I'm using my pressed powder to kind of blend in with my stocking cap to make it match the closure net on the cornrow wig cap, and this is how the inside looks like. I also applied some powder in there. So when I wore it, you could see that there are some white glue stains in there. Yes, initially it wasn't there, but when the hair dried up, it left this glue residue. So I'll go in and use my pressed powder again to kind of correct all that side, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's it for the installation video. Don't forget to watch the original video. I'm going to link it in the description, and then once you're done watching that, you can come back here and watch the installation video. I'll see you all on Thursday when I upload my next video. Stay fast, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye guys.